This video features toys the Hobby Kids helped create.
HobbyKidsTV.
Look, that's the bird from Hobby Kids Adventures cartoon.
Eggs. Yeah.
It's dropping eggs. There they are. Come on, let's go get them.
Hobby Dad, go catch that bird.
I think he went that way. Okay.
Whoa.
Oh, look at those eggs.
Super cool.
Hey guys, I got the bird. Whoa, whoa.
Whoa, Hobby Dad, that's not the bird.
What do you mean it's not? It's a big bird. Whoa. Whoa. What's going on? What's going on, girl? Whoa. This super exciting item is full of surprises.
Let's crack it open. Yes.
Ooh, there's a jackhammer and a hat.
Jackpot.
It also comes with a free cereal bowl, one with a flat bottom, and a free hat.
Open the giant egg to reveal a working jackhammer.
Hey, the red vines make you up and down here.
Kids can crack open this egg with their friends.
Not so fast, buddy. It's my turn.
Crack open the next egg to reveal all of your awesome surprises. Like a slingshot, target, sticky hand, and so much more.
Whoa! Slingshot! So now, look, it's yo! I'm pretty cool, yo!
Look, it has more hats.
Yeah. Talk for Slingshot!
Each jackhammer egg surprise includes 10 surprises. For a smashing good time at your parties, bring home this egg-explosive surprise and share the fun with your friends.
So you can take the little stamp right here, put it inside this, then you can take it off, and you can get a piece of paper with important information on the back if you want, and then stamp. See? It's a jackhammer stamp.
Super cool!
It's challenge time!
Whoa! Now bounce it.
You got 20.
And he got the wall. Let's try it again.
What the?
All right.
100 million.
He's got 20 points. Oh, what'd you get?
20.
Nice. Oh, you're like between 20 and 10.
I'm wearing these glasses thingies so I can aim where I'm going with this thing.
Oh, what'd you get?
Got 10.
Oh, 10 points. Hobby Pig, slingshot time.
10.
Hobby Frog, slingshot time. Oh,
I got 0.
oh,
10.
good job.
I got 10. I got 10.
Hobby Bear, slingshot time. All right, good shot.
Looks like you hit Hobby Bear.
You hit yourself. I think I had it right here.
Yay!
HobbyKids toys available now!
Now the surprise and excitement of YouTube's HobbyKids TV comes to your home with the new line of HobbyKids toys. Ages 3+.